Ang ganda ng ngiti ni Gar dito. Abutenga.
Oh! Uh-oh, here we go.
Gusto din.
Sturin.
Oh, what a shot there. From RSO, napanipisan ng gusto doon at ang ganda. There you go.
Okay, looking good.
Mhm.
Isa sa mga nag-perform din tonight, itong si Ruel.
Yun na nga, nagsilbing pamatay sunog sa mga takbo. There you go.
Alright. Depende na lang talaga dito kay Ruel Omay.
But look at the white though.
Gaganda ba? Papabor ba?
At the
Nako.
white ball.
Wala eh.
Using
Oh,
those
look at this.
clusters.
Look
Look
at
in those clusters.
Napanipis. And again. Okay, with some outside spin. Okay, this is looking good. 8 ang magagamit.
Mukhang hindi na naman.
Again. O, diba?
Sa Sharks Billiards Arena and Sports Bar.
Goes to show he's enjoying the action
Yes.
inside the arena. Ah, una banda. Whoa!
There you go.
As well as the year.
Oh!
Buti hindi ko pinatawan.
Oh, yes.
Nako.
Nang resolve dito ni Omay at ng Paranaque Kings. There you go.
Okay. Nice.
There you
They
go.
controlled cue ball a week earlier. Pati na rin sa week na to. At siya na rin siguro ang magiging chance para sa Paranaque na ma-force itong game na to into a heel-heel match.